This is obviously a different complexion. This one is an Alla Prima type of painting. So it wasn't worked on over time as was the last one. And I feel like you can get away with a lot more in an Alla Prima setting, because just from the fact of how it looks, you know that it was executed a little more rapidly in a shorter period of time. And so there's a certain degree of, let's call it forgiveness, that the viewer instantly has. Like, for example, I don't know if I would have taken this to the same finish as the last one if I could have gotten away with such a strong color here, or such an obvious green here and here. You know, you can do it in the setting of this type of brushwork and the sort of so-called spontaneity of it, or this extra red thing there. If you wanted to have a more refined, higher finish, then you got to start explaining stuff like that. And it doesn't, you know, it doesn't really translate into a higher finished picture. I mean, even here, this looks, you know, this is unfinished and it looks reddish. Why is that there? Well, nobody cares when it's an Alla Prima painting. It does work. And here's someone with a completely different skin tone, complexion, but I can still follow similar ideas. You know, I can still try to push a little redness into the middle of the face. And you know, here's the main color is this kind of coffee color.